Well, thank you, Mr. President. Recently, I visited Epiroc Tasmanian operations in Camdale, near Burnie. Epiroc is an international company based in Stockholm in Sweden, with its Australian headquarters in Perth, Western Australia. Epiroc is an industrial company that was created in 2018 when it was split off from Atlas Copco, a company that was founded in 1873 in Stockholm. The company makes mining and infrastructure with manufacturing plants all around the world, including Sweden, United States, Canada, China and India. The advanced manufacturing operations in Tasmania build underground mining equipment that is sold in the eastern Australian states. This is a very innovative and skilled operation, and it employs around 30 people, including some casual labour, with many other contractors coming and going every day. Their current schedule for the year is to build 38 machines. These machines include trucks, simber drills, jumbo drills, shotcreters, loaders and raise bore. When I visited a couple of weeks ago, I witnessed a genuine passion for excellence and customer service and a focus on the customer in the building of these amazing machines. Machines that are modified to meet the specific specifications of the customer. The workshop was clean, tidy and really well organised. And I was privileged to visit the workshop to see the almost complete assembly of a drill rig before it was being shipped off to BHP's Olympic Dam. If any of those of you who follow me on Facebook saw the post, and I'm happy to share the photos, you may well have seen the photos of probably the world first assembly of a large drill rig that has been affectionately referred to by the assembly crew as the IKEA flat pack drill rig. So the rig is a Simba M6 and it weighs 26 tonnes, and it will be used for underground production mining of 102mm diameter holes of up to 50 metres deep. Usually these rigs arrive from Sweden pretty much fully assembled, where the Camdale crew modify the rig to meet specific customer requirements and to meet and usually exceed the Australian standards. When this rig was required by the customer, the plant in Sweden didn't have time to assemble it, and so it was sent in lots of crates without assembly instructions, and the crates arrived en masse from Sweden, and any instructions that were on the crates were in Swedish. And it took the crew at Epiroc about a month to completely assemble and modify this rig, ready to ship off, and they've since done that since I was there for the visit. It was only a few days away from shipment. So I was very proud to meet a young man, Dylan Chester, who oversaw the assembly. Dylan is a young guy with a real passion for his job. They call the modifications made to the rigs Dylan's mods, and Dylan redoes the circuitry drawings and other diagrams to include with all his mods so that the receiving crew have accurate drawings to support the rig. Significantly, on this point, Mr. President, Dylan is self-taught in this skill. So he taught himself to actually understand the circuitry drawings and to modify them and adapt them to truly reflect the rig as delivered. So, Mr. President, I continue to be amazed at the precision, skill and pride in the world-class work carried out in the advanced manufacturing that comes out of my electorate. I'm told that feedback from Epiroc's customers has been overwhelmingly positive, leading to more contracts, so the future does look very positive. Epiroc is also looking to the future with fully automated rigs and other machines and technology to improve safety and safety of the on site, but also of the machines themselves. So Epiroc's website states, "We believe that technology such as automation, interoperability and battery are the future of our industries. And at Epiroc, the future is already here. These are not just great ideas, they are reality." Well, Mr. President, I witnessed this reality and I saw the innovation and creativity needed for our future. They are already building fully battery electric machines that result in zero emissions, which is important both below and above the ground. It was fascinating to see them. It's really world-leading stuff they're doing there. The website also states, "We are leading the charge towards sustainability in mining through battery electric zero-emission equipment. After more than 75,000 operating hours, we're expanding our proven battery offering and zero-emission underground fleet with the second generation of loaders, mine trucks and rigs for face drilling, production drilling and rock reinforcement. So, Mr President, clearly this is the future, and I saw it already underway in a big shed in Camdale. And I commend John Stanton, the Regional Manager for Victoria, Tasmania and New Zealand, and his team, and wish them all the best with the future they are helping to create. When you visit the company website vision, it states, and beliefs, it states, our brand promise is strong, united in performance, inspired by innovation. Our core values, innovation, commitment and collaboration. Mr President, I think the reality is that not all companies actually live by their vision, mission or beliefs. Meeting John Stanton, Dylan Chester, Phil Robinson and Donald McLaughlin showed me that this company does live their vision and beliefs. They live and breathe it, and they practice it every day. And they also work collaboratively with the other engineering organisations around them in Camdale and share a workforce. I mean, how innovative and creative is that? And they've done so in developing the first IKEA flat pack drill rig. So I thank them for allowing me to get up close and personal with these amazing machines, and I wish the company and the workforce there all the best.